Greetings, my beautiful kings and queens, of you stopping by. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sis Kathy Vet coming to you with another Country Wayne skit from these Country Wayne streets. Let's get into it. Okay, now we getting somewhere. We getting somewhere, Amber. Now, when Amber tells her lawyer about Anthony catching her with Dave, let's see how specific she gonna be. I'm dying to know what bootleg lawyer is gonna say about this situation. She gonna brush it up under the rug? Is she gonna tell her she's practically living at this man's mansion and how serious this relationship is becoming? How he is going to how he she's spoken with his daughter. She's about to meet his family. I want specifics. I want you to tell us women specifics because I don't want no stone unturned on how she's going to represent you and how she's looking at this situation evenly. Even playing field now. She needs to know it all. Oh, so this is interesting. Okay, let's get into it.
In timeout. I do have something to talk to you about, though. Okay.
Don't be acting scared. Just tell her.
The other night, there was a party at my man's house. And I guess they invited a bunch of entrepreneurs. And it turns out that Anthony was invited.
Okay. To your man's house.
To my man's house. And what I'm trying to say is, I knew I should have called you, but I didn't. And I allowed my man to convince me to go out and face the crowd, including Anthony. So he saw me with my new man.
There's nothing wrong with that. He didn't see you in bed with your new man.
Constance.
Like you saw him in your bed,
Constance.
in your home with his new girlfriend.
Wait.
No.
So you're saying he can't use that against me in court?
No. You're separated. You're legally separated.
Okay. So let me get this straight. Okay. You caught Anthony in your house in the bed with a woman. Okay. He caught you at the house of your man, booed up, and so you think a court is gonna assume that you and this man are not sexually involved? Okay, because there's no proof that nothing happened. Okay. Well, you was at his house hugged up with him. Were busted. Hand around your waist. All of that can be testified. You caught Anthony in your house in bed. Did you see him in the act of sex? Did you see him sleeping in the bed with this woman? Sleeping. You didn't see them in a sexual act, but because they are in the bedroom, it's to assume that they sexually involved because they in the home. But you in your man's home, booed up with him as his woman. That can't be assumed that there's nothing sexual going on. Like make this sense legally, but you're legally separated. Okay, you're legally separated, and so is Anthony, but he's wrong for being laid up with Denisha, but she not wrong for being laid up with her man. I don't care if it was a nighttime event. She still laid up with him. Just not happen to be in bed at that moment. Make it make sense to me, Constance. You're legally separated, so how you gonna do a new strategy for Anthony to fry Anthony because you saying he's addicted to women? You gonna say that about her addicted to men? Like she's been with other men besides Anthony, just like he was with Shayla. Before or after, you talking about addiction here. You're not talking about the men that the women Anthony was with during the marriage. You saying addicted to women, period. This is the second woman he's been with in his marriage. This Amber has one. Okay, 2-1. But you gonna sit up there and play the addicted to woman card to help light the fire under Anthony? What? How is that gonna stick in court? How are you gonna make he's addicted because there were two women? But she has one man. Okay. That's addiction? Constance?
Rated. She did nothing wrong.
Keep telling her she's doing
Child, I
nothing
have
wrong.
been worried to death.
That's why you should have called me from the party.
Woo! I really thought I
Oh
messed up
my
everything.
God.
So I'm
Nothing
still,
Amber does is wrong
I'm
to this
still
woman.
eligible for my 50%.
Absolutely. Anthony.
Constance is a joke. You hear me?
See, I knew it. Because, see, you my attorney.
So she
I
can
knew
walk
you was
around
gonna
more
know that.
arrogant. She
That's
want to
right,
look
girl,
like
I
she
was
this
sweating
great
bullets.
attorney.
was talking to
I
my
want to
cousin.
see how she doing
Sweat
court.
boots. I really thought that I had messed everything up. But, baby, let me tell you, we came out. Anthony saw me and my big
Now she
black
got.
man.
Now she got. Now she gonna
Okay,
sit up
sorry.
there
He's my attorney.
and now she gonna sit around and
See,
show
now
him more.
you
Hey,
become
Look how
like
she
family
talking
to me.
now.
Your attorney likes black mandingos too. Does he have a brother?
Don't come around mine.
Okay.
But
Do he got a
you
brother?
know, I'll see what we can hook you up
Constance
with.
is wrong.
But his jaw hit the ground.
I bet he did.
I mean, he was pissed.
You should have helped him pick it up.
I should have. Next time I will. You know, or I just leave it there and let him keep looking at us. 'Cause, baby, we look.
This is wild to me. This is not professional. This is not good advice. She blowing up Amber's situation like it's a badge of honor. And Anthony is trash. This is not balanced at all. This woman doesn't come with any legal facts to that except to say you legally separated. Then Anthony can lay up with who the heck he wants to lay up with since you legally separated. Your black mandingo, you saying to your attorney right now, you getting it in. You showing her you getting it in. Butt all out, switching and all. You showing you getting it in. I don't care if Anthony didn't catch you in the bed. This woman knows you getting it on with your new black mandingo. She asking, do he got a brother? Look, this is wild. You can't tell me that this woman is a good attorney giving good advice. You cannot tell me. Please put them in a courtroom before a sane, intelligent judge, okay? No bootleg judge that Bozo the Clown put it on the bench. Please. I want to know the facts laid out to a judge. And I want to see these two attorneys go back to back for their clients. Please, because what she's telling this woman in the picture that she's setting up is going to let Amber know it's okay to keep doing what she's doing. You ain't said nothing about you have sex with this man. If you get pregnant, you're going to mess up something. I haven't heard any of that. No sound advice whatsoever except keep doing what you're doing because you legally separated. And Amber's not the only one that's legally separated. That's not bound one-sided in a marriage. Laws go for one, but don't go for the other because she filed papers for the divorce. If you're legally separated, both of you are legally separated. So she can go around and bounce around and do whatever she can, then so can Anthony. Come on, lady. How are you giving this kind of advice? Oh, you caught her and you caught him in the marital home in the bed. So no, it's worse for him. So you deserve 50%, and I'm gonna get him as basically a sex addict, woman addict. But you can go ahead with your mandingo and flaunt him. I don't care what Anthony caught y'all doing. Do he got a brother, a cousin, an uncle? I like mandingo too. Really? And y'all think that this is okay? You think that this woman is giving Amber sound advice? Let's be fair here. Do this make sense to y'all? Come on, let's be fair, sane people that we are, right? Right? That we claim to be, because they making us absolutely insane with this nonsense. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. I think this is absolutely ridiculous. I think it's ridiculous. I think it's unprofessional. I don't think she's advising her right at all. I really don't. You know, this is a circus of a divorce. Just like it was a circus of a marriage. You hear me? Bootleg Constance has struck again. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I don't know, Amber. I don't think this is going to be good for you. Neither one of you.